let's see how to change the display text of your hyperlink in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as we know, hyperlinks are links that you can link to another website or another section in your document. But what if we want our hyperlink to look more professional? So for example, let's look at this hyperlink right here, which links to Google. Now to change the text or display text of this hyperlink, simply right-click on it, and you will see this option to edit your hyperlink. And this window should show up and allow you to change the text that is displayed on your hyperlink by this field here, text to display. So let's go ahead and change that to only one word, Google, and that should show up on your document as the words or the word that you chose. Now let's go ahead and follow that link, control and click. And as you can see right here, we're now on Google. And that is how you edit the display text of your hyperlink in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.